friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Tom Nook from Animal Crossing, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started right in the center. We're going to come down for the nose, drawing in an arch line. And then we're going to start on the left-hand side, curving this down, pulling this back up on the right. Let's come up now. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this back across and pulling that down. Let's round the edges out here. So this is going to frame in our eyes. So we're going to curve this over, pulling that back into the center. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right, pulling this over and through, connecting that line back together. Now to draw in the eyes. So coming up, we're going to draw in a nice big oval on the left-hand side. And then we'll step across on the right, replicating that. Let's come over. We're going to curve this line around and through towards the inside for that eyelid. And now for the pupil, we're just going to draw another arch line, curving this around and up. Let's close off the shape of the head. So starting in the center, we're going to arch this around, curving this out, tucking this in underneath the nose. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Blending that back together. Now for the ears, leaving a gap, stepping over, curving this around and back down. And doing the exact same thing on the right. Moving in towards the middle. Again, just curving that over, tucking that down. Let's draw a curved line coming in and then pulling that through on the opposite side. Doing the exact same thing on the right. Now let's draw the body. So coming over on the left and right hand side, we're going to curve our line that comes down, ending that at the exact same height on the bottom. And then we'll close this off with a curved line. Now for the arms, we're going to arch this out on either side. Stepping over on the inside, replicating that, ending that at the same distance. And then we'll close this off with a curved line. Let's move up now for the wrist, curving that over. For our hand, just arching this around and back up. Let's come down for the legs. So stepping in from that line slightly, we're just going to curve this in on the left and right hand side. And then right in the center, a curved line. Now underneath, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out for the legs. Lining this up at the same height, straightening that out on the side. Let's close that off with a curved line. For the feet, we're going to arch this down like we did for the hand, pulling that back up. And then we'll close that off underneath with a slight curved line. Now let's come in and add in the details on the shirt. So from the middle, stepping out, we're going to arch this line out on the left and right hand side. Stepping across again on either side, replicating that. We're going to do this 2 more times. So again, stepping over, pulling that back down. And then again, one last time. Let's continue to add in the details in the shirt. So we're going to draw in an arch line right in the center. And then let's step out, replicating that one more time. Now let's draw in the tie. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming in towards the middle. We're going to flatten that out right in the center. Now from here, from that corner, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. And then the exact same thing for the shirt underneath. We're going to draw a little line here on the right for the pen. We'll extend this line down, pulling this up. And then we're going to straighten this out, pulling this back in, coloring that in black. Let's draw the pattern right in the middle. So from the center here, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. From the top, pulling this diagonal line across. Again, from here, pulling this out towards the top. We're going to flatten this out with a small diagonal line on both sides. Now from here, bringing this diagonal line back in. And then we're going to bring this out on the bottom. We're going to pull this through on a diagonal. Now let's bring this line up towards the top. Again, let's bring this line out. We're going to pull this line back in towards the center, leaving a gap from that top line. And now let's draw the little diamond in the middle. So from the top, 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, pulling that in towards the middle, finishing off that diamond shape. Now that we've drawn this in the center, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes through the middle. We're going to imagine this extends through underneath. We'll do the same in the opposite direction. So we're going to pull this out, extending that through, doing the exact same thing on the opposite side. Now from here underneath, we're going to imagine this extends through towards the center on each side again, joining at a point. And we'll extend this out on the right and left-hand side. Now from the top, pulling this diagonal line across, making sure that joins that line there. And now from here, just pulling this out on a diagonal again for the bottom of that diamond. And then on each side, just bringing this line out and back in to finish that off. And that is it. That's how you draw Tom Nook from Animal Crossing. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.